my dream job, I need work experience. I need to develop professional skills, also coaching and mentoring, some certifications and CV rewrite too. Internship opportunities would help me greatly.
Join Momentum. Everything you're looking for in one place. Licensed work tools, personalized career roadmap, work shadowing, weekly coaching calls, practical self-paced trainings, verifiable work reference, career workshops, mock interviews, CV rebranding, and LinkedIn profile optimization. This is the real deal. Why worry about shopping for your career needs when you can get everything and more in one place? Join Momentum is a career acceleration program that focuses on practical training and certifications, work shadowing and experience, coaching and mentoring, and personalized career roadmap. For more details on how to start, call +442 045 380 208 or book a discovery call with us on our website www.joinmomentum.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram at join_momentum UK.
Are you an expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Customer Skills Consultation app waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.
Hello, my name is Victor Shonde. I'm the founder of Join Momentum. Join Momentum is a skills development and digital agency. Our focus is on developing and empowering individuals and partnering with businesses to scale. The Join Momentum Career Accelerator Program is a 6-month work experience program designed for career transitioners, job seekers, adult learners, graduates, or anyone looking to launch or transition to a career in digital technology. The 6-month program provides and focuses on digital work experience, confidence building, portfolio development, and of course, there are other things like CV branding, LinkedIn optimization that comes as part of the program. The reason why the Career Accelerator program is quite impactful is because anyone that joins the program essentially is applying to work with our team members within the organization at Join Momentum. You work with our designers, our developers, our researchers, our testers, our BAs, including myself, from a product development perspective. So what you're getting is deep experience and knowledge beyond certifications or training or whatever it is that people get. The exchange program has proven to be transformative for people who have come on the program because within the space of 3 months, we expect you to be interview ready, job ready, and we'll support you with one-on-one coaching, mock interviews. We have a huge portal called the Career Transformation Hub with so much resources and information to help you to, when you land the job, to make sure that you're not just getting the job, but you are able to thrive and excel in the job. On skills development, we have three offerings: the Career Accelerator Program, the Bootcamp, and we have self-paced training. Self-paced training allow anyone to log into our website, buy a course, take the training, and get the value from it. Our bootcamps are self-paced inclusive. However, we have instructor-led live training classes with expert coaches from all around the world. Our coaches work with global brands and they have deep expertise and experience in their areas of expertise or discipline. Our bootcamp lasts between 4 to 6 weeks to 8 weeks, depending on the discipline. So if you're looking at transitioning to become a business analyst, user researcher, scrum master, an agile coach, a cybersecurity expert, data analyst, and so on and so forth, why don't you check our website and see one of our bootcamps upcoming? So, are you willing to launch a career in technology, but you don't have confidence, you have no experience, you're not quite sure about your transferable skills, you have no maybe background training, or even if you have certification, you're not sure what those really translate to in the actual, in the practical sense of things? Or are you willing to increase your earning potential, your earning capacity? I'm talking you want to earn 5, 6, even 7 figures in places like Africa, but you're not sure how to go about it. Why don't you check out our Career Accelerator program, right? And the good thing about it, even if you don't want the Career Accelerator program, if it's maybe too expensive or you're looking at pricing, try one of our boot camps and you can upgrade to the Career Accelerator program from there. I'm looking forward to see you there.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's Lunch and Learn session. Today we're going to be discussing a very important topic, the role of UX design in digital transformation. So in today's fast-paced world, digital transformation is crucial for businesses to stay competitive and relevant. One of the key components of a successful digital transformation is UX design. So we want to see what role UX design plays in the digital transformation which has occurred for many companies. Yeah, so what is UX design? So UX design is short for user experience design. And user experience design is the process of creating digital products or services that are useful, usable, and enjoyable for users. The elements of UX design involve a variety of elements, such as user research, usability testing, information architecture, interaction design, visual design, and content strategy. So what's the importance of UX design? UX design places the user at the center of the design process and helps to ensure that digital products or services meet user needs and goals. So user experience design helps to always put the user at the center of the conversation at every point. So you can solve their exact need. So what is digital transformation? So on the other hand, digital transformation is the integration of digital technologies into all areas of a business, resulting in fundamental changes to how business operates and deliver value to their customers. This might mean something as simple as a business, formerly faceless business, right? Thinking of hiring a UX designer to design a website for them, and then they will get a developer to build it, right? So this is basically like the business leaning to digital transformation to create a positive change for themselves and their customers. So now they are basically going to build a website or a mobile app, something that can help them to connect with their customers faster and solve their problems. So, what are the elements of digital transformation? Digital transformation includes a clear strategy, user-centered design, data-driven making, data-driven decision making, new technologies, innovation, and cross-functional teams. So the everybody comes together, all these things come together, all these components, all these elements come together to make up digital transformation. And you can see that user-centered design is one of those elements. So what is the importance of digital transformation? Digital transformation improves businesses by enabling faster responses, improving customer satisfaction, innovating new products, reducing costs, making informed decisions with data, and improving employee engagement. So you see, with digital transformation, your business can grow, your business can push boundaries, you can make informed decisions with data. You're not just making assumptions, and then you can drive progress in your organization. So, why is UX design important in digital transformation? So, there are three key reasons why digital transformation is um, is um, is leaning towards UX design, right? For positive change. So we have the customer centric nature of UX design. So UX design helps organizations and businesses to understand their customers' needs and expectations, putting them in the center of every conversation at every step of the line, and to design digital products and services that meet the user's needs. So another reason why UX design is important in digital transformation is innovation. Innovation in what sense? By embracing UX design, organizations can develop innovative digital products or services that differentiate them from their competitors. You can see that a lot of businesses, organizations today are trying to um, stand out, right? They're looking for ways to stand out. But how can they stand out? They need to embrace UX design. UX design can make them be the differentiation in the market. They can be that integral part of the market. You see, when you see giants like Google and Apple, you see what they're doing in their fields. They are giants in the market, right? They use UX design. They leverage UX design. They leverage UX design at various points to solve problems for their users. They create new stuff, they innovate, and then you see they create a lot of value for their company. So another importance of UX design in digital transformation is ROI, rate of interest. UX design can help organizations to achieve a higher return on investment by reducing development costs, improving the user experience, and then increasing customer satisfaction. So UX design can help businesses, right, to scale up, and this is how. UX design is not just about creating beautiful interfaces. I know that's part of it, but then it's not all that there is. It's about understanding the user needs and creating digital products that meet those needs in a way that's efficient, effective, and enjoyable. By prioritizing UX design, businesses can reduce costs, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction. So if you look at this image we have by the right hand side, you can see that design is in the middle of the conversation, right? Design connects the product team to the stakeholders, to the marketing team and the business team, right? Why? Design can do this through collaboration, right? The designers in a organization are meant to collaborate with the product team, the stakeholders, marketing team, and the business team to create value for their company. Design can help in communicating visual ideas and helping everybody to get on board faster. This helps to maximize business value and helps the company to make informed, data driven decisions. So, we want to see the benefits of prioritizing UX design in digital transformation. Customer satisfaction is one benefit. So UX design can improve customer satisfaction, leading to increased loyalty and repeat business. So when you are able to solve your user needs, your customer problems, and help them to achieve their goals faster, you'd see that they would say your company is good. They would refer your company to other people, and then they would want to do business with your company once again. So you see, UX design is an important tool to boost digital transformation in any company. So another importance is competitive advantage. I spoke about this earlier. By prioritizing UX design, organizations can differentiate themselves from their competitors in the market and can create a unique brand identity, a unique value proposition that can capture the needs of the users, right? To solve their problem, helping them to achieve their goals. That's how the company will stand out in the market. Yeah. So we also have reduced development time. If your UX design in your company is very strong, if it's very good, you'd be able to reduce the development time and cost by identifying the user needs and problems and addressing them early in the process, right? So what this means is, after before you see a website, yeah, someone would have designed it, and then another person would code it, right? Or a group of people or a team would code it, right? So then if you have a faulty user experience design, you have faulty UI, then your development process is going to be longer. You're going to spend more in the process, and then your user needs are not going to be attended to early enough. The What will happen is that the customers will then shift to a competitor in the market, and you don't want that to happen to your business. So you focus on UX design, improve your UX design, your UI and your UX is intact. You have a strong development team that can build this UI. That way, you can identify and address user needs and problems early before the customers shift to other people, other businesses, other organizations in the market. Benefits of More benefits of UX design in digital transformation for businesses. Yeah, I've already spoken about the increased ROI. So I'll speak about the improved market positioning, right? By prioritizing UX design, organizations can gain a competitive advantage by creating digital experiences that are more intuitive, engaging, and user friendly than their competitors. So they will position in the market as that stellar company, that stellar business, like the way you see when you think about Apple. I like Apple a lot because they prioritize design, right? So when you speak of mobile phones, when you talk about mobile phone companies, you cannot but mention Apple because like Apple is like at the forefront of innovation in that industry. And why they've been able to do this, how they've been able to do this, is because they invested in design. And yeah, we'll speak more about this as we go on. So another thing that design would do for your business is it would push business growth. It would make your company grow. You will scale up faster, right? UX design can contribute to business growth by increasing customer satisfaction, reducing churn rates, and improving customer retention rates over time. So basically, if your UX design if you've attended to your UX design, you've invested in it, you would be able to push for growth in your business. You would scale up. You'd be able to reduce the churn rates. Your customers would refer people to use your product. Why? Because your product is able to attend to their needs by UX.
Star feature on this episode. Folashade Makinde. She has 2 decades of experience in the dynamic landscape of banking and finance. She is a results-driven and innovative professional who has consistently excelled in various leadership roles. Her journey began at First Bank of Nigeria, where she dedicated 19 years to the organization's growth and success. For 12 years, she held the esteemed position of business manager at First Bank Nigeria. During her tenure, she orchestrated strategic initiatives that not only optimized operational efficiency but also enhanced customer experiences. Her ability to navigate complex financial landscapes allowed her to identify and capitalize on opportunities, thereby driving significant revenue growth. As a seasoned and trained business analyst, she has demonstrated a unique aptitude for dissecting intricate business problems and developing comprehensive solutions. Her expertise lies in translating data-driven insights into actionable strategies, resulting in better decision-making processes and improved bottom-line outcomes. She took on the responsibility of successfully managing multiple business units. This has equipped her with a diverse skill set, honed in a variety of operational contexts. Her leadership style emphasizes collaboration, fostering cohesive teams, and fostering an environment that encourages innovation and continuous improvement. She is a certified enterprise design thinking practitioner and a certified Scrum Master. Projects worked on at Join Momentum, Agile for Startups, Cash My Skills, Virtual Experience Simulator, Ingenious Project. She is about to launch a business that specializes in offering personalized financial consulting services to individuals and small businesses in the United Kingdom. She is willing to provide expert advice on budgeting, investment strategies, tax optimization, and retirement planning, using her analytical skills to tailor recommendations to each client's unique financial situation. This type of service can have a meaningful impact on people's financial well-being while allowing her to leverage her business analysis expertise. On her advice to anyone considering applying for Join Momentum work experience, it is the place to be when you are in a pursuit of a career in the technological space. A major life experience when she was advised to join Momentum, and indeed, climbing the career ladder has been with high traction ever since she joined the winning team. Her hobbies are bonding with family, worshiping God, and dancing.
So, what are the key challenges in implementing UX design in digital transformation? Difficulty integrating UX design into traditional development processes, resistance to change from stakeholders, That's when you have everybody has to agree. When you have a team of developers, designers, product managers, scrum masters, business analysts, everybody has to come together along with the product owner to make decisions, right? But when there's a resistance to change from the team and the stakeholders, then UX design is not being allowed um, to freely improve the transformation or to boost the transformation of that company, right? Because it feels like it would be like the team is not listening to the ideas that UX design can push forward, and then yeah, it would in the longer run just delay the speed at which they progress. So another challenge is lack of understanding about the value of UX design. So, not every organization understands the true value of UX design. I mean, user experience design is a field that has just been, yeah, it's upcoming, right? A lot of people have been developing even before user experience design came, right? They were just developing, and then yeah, they were developing products that were not meeting the exact needs of the customers, right? So they didn't understand the value of UX design. They didn't see the need for UX design. But as time passed, right, we have been able to see that user experience design can play a positive role in developing a company actually, and actually attending to the customer's needs faster. So this is why the understanding of UX design is very valuable to any organization. Another challenge is difficulty measuring the impact of UX design initiatives. Another one is ensuring consistency across different products and platforms. So, yeah, fantastic. A company now has good UX, right? But then, how do they make sure that that product is consistent, right, across various platforms, across various regions, allowing for a large customer base to be able to use that product without issues. They will use the product to solve their problems, and they will use it to achieve their goals, right? So then it needs to be consistent. The UX has to be consistent. But that's a challenge that we've seen across various industries. You see, you go to some websites and you see that yeah, the website is nice, right? But then their mobile app is not so nice. So everybody tends to lean to the web app instead of the mobile app. And then forgetting that not everybody has a laptop or like a PC, MacBook, or yeah, to access the web, right? So those people that are left with their phones, they won't be able to access that product. It means that that product is not consistent across various platforms. So that's a challenge. And then if you work on that, if you make your products consistent across all platforms. It's just so many gains. I see so many gains because you get a larger customer base. People will refer more people, and they'll refer more people to use your product. And your product is going to have a very high rating, very high customer retention too. You would have reduced the churn rate one in the market, the other competitor in the market. You'd have solved a lot of problems using UX design. So we want to see some examples of successful UX design in digital transformation. We see companies like Amazon, Spotify, Slack, Apple, and so many more. They lean towards UX design so they can make a positive digital transformation for their company, right? So, for example, Amazon's success can be attributed in part to their focus on user experience, including one-click ordering, personalized recommendations, and easy returns. So you see, they listen to their customers, right? They made personalized recommendations to those customers. So for them to make those personalized recommendations, they have to know the customer, right? So you see that they put the customer in the middle of their operations. That's what you call customer centric, the customer centric characteristic of user experience design. So that's where it is being played in Amazon. And in Spotify, Spotify has become one of the most popular music streaming services due in part to their emphasis on personalized playlists, easy to use interface, and discovery features. You see again, personalized playlist. I am a user of Spotify. I use Spotify, I use Apple Music, I use some other music apps, right? But then yeah, I've used a couple actually. I've used YouTube Music, I've used Audio Mac, and then I've tried these different products, right? But then the one that just got me to stay, and I've been using it for a long time now, is Spotify. Why? Because every time I go to Spotify and I just play one song from my list, like my playlist, right? Once I play one song, the next song and everything, they do this auto shuffle thing where they provide recommendations personalized to you. So like they provide personalized recommendations of songs that I can listen to because I've liked some previous songs. So right, they know what I like and they're giving me what I like. So definitely I'll stay on the product. I'll keep listening to the good music on it. And then yeah, that's how they've got me as a customer to stay on the product. And then funny thing is I've referred like two members of my family already. Everybody come and join Spotify. Spotify is best. Yeah, this is not a commercial for Spotify, but then yeah. So that's it. We also have Slack. All right, Slack's rise to prominence as a team communication tool is largely due to their user-friendly interface, customizable notifications, and integrations with other tools. You see, Slack has solved a lot of problems, right, in the in the tech space, right? So they've been able to enable teams to communicate effectively within a confined space, share ideas. They have a very good user interface. That's why a lot of companies in the world use Slack as their basic communication tool. And this is just good. It's just a testament of the good work they're doing. And yeah. Let's see some other ones. So, more examples of some successful UX design in digital transformation is the Apple. We can see Apple devices as an example and software, right? You can see this Apple Watch. You see how beautiful it is. It just looks sleek. I can see the time definitely, and then I would want to have this on my wrist, right? Because it's fancy, it's nice. So that's what I was saying about Apple. Apple invests in design, right? They prioritize design. They know the value of design, and it has helped them because it has helped them to deliver products and services that their customers so dearly love that every year once Apple brings out a new phone, everybody is buying Apple Pro Max 15. That's the one that's coming out soon. And like everybody's just jumping on every year. And you're wondering like, how do these people have this so much money to just be spending every year? But then you reason it that these guys have actually seen the quality that Apple always delivers every year, right? Year in, year out, they produce, they innovate, they create new stuff, fantastic stuff, interesting stuff. I mean, like Apple invests a lot in design, and then it's helping them to generate a lot of revenue. Why? Because they've connected with their customer base and they are so sure that every year once we release it, they are going to buy. And then this is only possible because they were able to invest in design. They saw the value that design has and how it can help their users solve their problems faster, right? So they invested in design, and today look at Apple making a lot of ROI. And then yeah, there's Google Maps too. Google Maps has revolutionized the way we navigate, the easy to use directions and real time traffic updates. If you're someone that I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, if you're someone that stays in Lagos, Nigeria, you would know that we go through traffic every time. Like we, if you forget anything in your house, just forget it. Is you cannot go back to take it. There's too much traffic. Just face your way and just go. So for example now we have Google Maps, right? So before I go out, because I know there's always traffic outside in Lagos, right? I What I do is I open my phone, I open Google Maps, and I check I put in the location that I'm going to, right? Just to check the best route, the fastest route that I can use to get there. How soon can I get there? Like the time it will take me to get there, and also the traffic congestion. Like Google Maps provides a lot of services that can help you locate things faster. That's why the whole world basically is using Google Maps. It's like one of the best maps in the world, like easy to use. It has a user friendly interface, and you see everything. All these things are basically leaning towards design, because if they don't design their mobile app well, people will complain and they will not be able to locate places as fast as they can. So that's why Google invested in design. We see Netflix. Netflix is a very, very, very popular movie streaming company, right? So like Netflix, everybody uses Netflix, right? Why? Because Netflix has a user-friendly interface and personalized recommendations that have made it a leader in the streaming industry. So you see, Netflix, you see that personalized recommendations coming into play again. Netflix does something similar to why explained as Spotify, like what Spotify does, right? They give you recommendations based on what you've watched on Netflix. Like if you come on Netflix, you watch possibly a superhero movie, then you would be sure to see another superhero movie in your recommendations. You just see something like you may also like, and definitely you may also like it, because I mean these recommendations are tailored to your needs. They know what you want, they know why you are coming, and then they feed it to you, right? That's how they get you to stay. And you keep using Netflix, you subscribe this month, subscribe next month. You're making more money, you are enjoying yourself, you are watching Netflix movies every time. Netflix and chill. So I mean, like it's a win-win for everybody. The customer base is happy, the company is happy. Why? Because they've invested in UX design. So we can also see Airbnb. Airbnb uses a user-centered approach to booking travel, and it has disrupted the hospitality industry. Airbnb is also a very, very popular um, site that you can get houses. You can say you're going to anywhere in the world, you can just go to Airbnb. You'd see like some places you can stay, and then it's solving problems for millions of users all around the world through UX design. So we also have so many examples. We have PayPal, Dropbox, Duolingo. Everybody is using design, right? So PayPal helps users to make online payments simply, easily, and securely, right? We have Dropbox too. Dropbox intuitive interface and easy file sharing capabilities have transformed the way we collaborate, right? Duolingo's gamified approach to language learning has made it accessible and enjoyable for millions of users. So you see, these guys are leaning towards design. You see, gamification. Gamification is a type of is something we include in UX design these days, an element, right? To boost user engagement, to boost customer retention. users will become more very attached to the product, right? Because the product keeps giving them what they want. And every time they need something, they go there and it gets their job done. I mean, they just keep using the product, right? They'll get hooked, right? So that's just those are the benefits of UX design for many companies, right? So key takeaways. UX design is a critical component of successful digital transformation. By prioritizing the user experience, organizations can improve customer satisfaction, achieve a competitive advantage, and reduce development costs and time. However, implementing UX design can be challenging, and organizations must be willing to invest in skilled designers, integrate UX design into their development processes, and educate the stakeholders about the value of UX design. Thank you for tuning in.
The Join Momentum Career Accelerator Program is a 6 months work experience program designed for career transitioners, job seekers, adult learners, graduates, or anyone looking to launch or transition to a career in digital technology. The 6 months program provides and focuses on digital work experience, confidence building, portfolio development, and of course, there are other things like CV branding, LinkedIn optimization that comes as part of the program. The reason why the Career Accelerator program is quite impactful is because anyone that joins the program essentially is applying to work with our team members within the organization at Join Momentum. You work with our designers, our developers, our researchers, our testers, our BAs, including myself, from a product development perspective. So what you're getting is deep experience and knowledge beyond certifications or training or whatever it is that people get. The exchange program has proven to be transformative for people who have come on the program because within the space of 3 months, we expect you to be interview ready, job ready, and we'll support you with one-on-one coaching, mock interviews. We have a huge portal called the Career Transformation Hub with so much resources and information to help you to, when you land the job, to make sure that you're not just getting the job, but you are able to thrive and excel in the job.
Are you an expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Customer Skills Consultation app waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.
To get my dream job, I need work experience. I need to develop professional skills, also coaching and mentoring, some certifications and CV rewrite too. Internship opportunities would help me greatly.
Join Momentum. Everything you're looking for in one place. Licensed work tools, personalized career roadmap, work shadowing, weekly coaching calls, practical self-paced trainings, verifiable work reference, career workshops, mock interviews, CV rebranding, and LinkedIn profile optimization. This is the real deal. Why worry about shopping for your career needs when you can get everything and more in one place. Join Momentum is a career acceleration program that focuses on practical training and certifications, work shadowing and experience, coaching and mentoring, and personalized career roadmap. For more details on how to start, call +442 045 380 208 or book a discovery call with us on our website www.joinmomentum.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram at join_momentum UK.